Hey guys, it's Rick Aqua here, and today we're taking a look at the Infinix Hot 12, a really affordable device that has a 5000 mAh battery, a durable flat edge design, a 6.82 90Hz display, and a really capable budget gaming processor, all for the price of 1200 Ghana cedis. And we are going to talk about it. Welcome to my review of the Infinix Hot 12. Before we jump into this, let's quickly go through the unboxing experience. For a budget device, I like how Infinix still kept everything in the box. Starting with the SIM card ejector tool, a customer service card, an X-Pack paperwork, the X-Clap card, a TPU transparent case, earphones, 18 watts charger, and a USB Type-C cable, and of course the phone. Everything you need to go all stacked up in there. First and foremost, let's talk about the price. The Infinix Hot 12 starts at around 1248 Ghana cedis, which is kind of equivalent to $159. And at that price in 2022, I would say it's one of the most affordable smartphones you can pick up on the market right now. Definitely a good starting point. At that price, what should you expect from this device? Let's break this down. Jumping straight to the device itself, I got the black, but also comes in an origin blue, legend white, and a lucky green. For design and build, you get a plastic all around except the screen has a glossy finish, which is the reason I always keep it in the case because it is a fingerprint magnet. It has flat sides, the volume rocker and the power button on the right side, which also serves as a fingerprint sensor. And if you're wondering how good is this, spoiler, it is really good. It works 95% of the time for me. You get a headphone jack below, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and the main speaker. On the left side, you get a dual SIM card tray and an SD card slot, and nothing at the top. At the back, you get 3 cameras, which we're going to talk about later on in the video. It also comes with a flashlight. You also get 2 selfie flashlights on top of the screen for your low light selfies. In summary, the device feels really big in my hand. I have huge hands, but if you're a fan of big phones, you're really going to like this. Now let's talk about the display. Whilst researching on this device before I got it, I found out this has a 720p display, and I wasn't the happiest person when I saw that, but to my surprise, in hand, this doesn't feel like a 720p display. That is to say, this looks good. This of course is 6.82 IPS TFT display. Colors are good, kinda sharp if you watch high resolution content on YouTube, and gets bright enough for indoor use at the highest brightness level for me. But when outside, might not be the brightest phone that I've seen. It has a 90Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling rate of 180Hz, so interacting with the interface is smooth and responsive. And not forgetting that this time around they went with the whole punch card out at the top. That's so cool. It doesn't get in the way whilst watching content. That looks really modern too. Nice one, Infinix. If wishes were horses, I would have loved to have an AMOLED panel, as the blacks aren't as rich as I would prefer for my devices. I can't complain too much though because this costs 1200 Ghana cedis. It's definitely big enough for watching content, no complaints when it comes to that, and comes with a stereo speaker setup. It's decent. It's not going to blow you away. It's definitely loud but not the fullest sounding. I like the fact that they made this a stereo setup, as it makes it easy to consume content without having to worry about blocking the speakers. Another great value aspect of this phone is surprisingly the performance. So this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G85. This is the 12nm chipset. It comes with Android 12 with the XOS skin installed. You get a Mali G52 for the GPU and comes with 4GB of RAM, or you can also get it in 6GB. Out of the box, you get Android 12, which is great, but didn't see a lot of customization when it comes to that. Comes with a couple of pre-installed applications, but thankfully you can disable them if you don't like them. Still, this is a 12nm chipset like what was found on the 11. To say the least, performance has been amazing for this device that costs 1200 Ghana cedis. Here are some benchmark scores. Opening and closing apps was good. App running in the background has been good too. You can increase your RAM up to 8GB using memory fusion. This makes it easy to jump between applications and keep apps running in the background. I did try a couple of games. I did play Asphalt and PUBG. Asphalt played smoothly. PUBG played at HD graphics and high frame rates. Now let's talk about the batteries. This comes with a 5000 mAh battery capable of lasting the whole day and comes with an 18 watt charger in the box which fully charges in about 100 minutes. During my casual usage on a day-to-day, this easily lasted me the whole day and maybe the next. But during days that you want to push this to a limit, if you decide to play a lot of games, you're definitely going to have to charge this before the day ends. But using this for regular usage like just making phone calls, browsing social media here and there, this can easily last you for a day or two. Now to the cameras. You get a 13 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and an 8 megapixel selfie camera found on the front. Starting for the selfie cam, pictures are decent, nothing to blow you away, colors are there. In general, pictures are mainly decent, and for selfie video, this is able to shoot in 1080 30 fps.
Hey guys, Mami Sika here, and this is a selfie camera test for the Infinix Hot 12. Tell me what you think about my skin tone. Do I look good? Do I sound nice? Tell me what you think about the dynamic range. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am the #1 Kasua ambassador, and I'll be bringing you the best content in Kasua, period.
For the rear camera, the pictures are decent too, colors are vibrant, nothing to blow you away once again. But when it comes to the portraits, this was actually really good. Okay, so this is a front camera video test on the Infinix Hot 12. This is being shot in 2K. Let me know what you think about the colors, the dynamic range over there. Looks like, all right, so we see some clouds there. Let's go around. It's fairly dark, so I guess the footage is acceptable. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Let's get interactive. Peace. I'm out. So this is where I get to summarize everything for you, tell you about my likes and dislikes. In general, this device just cost 1,200 Ghana cedi, but I have to say this was a fun device to use. Performance was actually impressive. The display didn't really quite look like a 720p display, even though I would have wished to have an AMOLED or something a little bit higher, but like I said, for 1,200, I can't complain so much. Build quality was great. I wish they went for a matte finish though, because I don't really like using cases on my device. But don't be like me, always keep your phone in a case. The part that I think they cut corners a little bit to me has to do with the cameras. As the single camera at the back, no ultra wide or anything like that. I wish they gave us more. So in general, this is a 1,200 Ghana cedi device that is really fun to use. If you want a budget device that is capable of gaming, playing most of the games like PUBG, Call of Duty, without having to break the bank, this device can do exactly that. So this is my review of the Infinix Hot 12. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.